Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I do think this is the end of the wave 3. If that's the case, then most likely we are in a very corrective overlapping pattern for a wave 4 that most likely will last probably 6 to 8 months minimum before it actually makes another attempt on the uptrend for a wave 5. Probably going down to, I think, more likely to 50%, right around the 150 area. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this whole push down is a wave A. At some point, I still think it's going to have to go up and make a wave B, which is a correction to the wave A, and then probably down again for a wave C. But, corrections are often very, very overlapping, so you can't expect it to make a perfect ABC correction, even though that would be nice. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think that we are due for at least one more push down. I still think this thing is going to go down and make another attempt on these lows. I think this is still a wave A of wave 4 on the higher time frames. I just think that there's a wave 1, 2 up here someplace, and there's a wave 3, a wave 4, and then down again for a wave 5, and this is still a wave A of wave 4. So heading right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I still think there's a chance that this is the end of an ABC correction. We have pretty impulsive down, we have pretty corrective up. I think there's a pretty good chance that this is going to lead to another impulsive down. Definitely keep an eye on these Fibonacci retracement levels, because if it does make 3 waves down impulsive up, then I definitely would get out of my shorts and potentially even go long. Otherwise, as long as it continues to make lower lows, lower highs, you're going to get Fibonacci bounces, but there's a big difference between a Fibonacci bounce and then a like 3, 4, 5 breaker structure. So I definitely am looking for shorts still. The yen pairs have been very, very, very sideways for a few weeks now, but I'm definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last little push right here, because if we do go up to a Fibonacci retracement level, we do make a nice big engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely, definitely will take it as a short for the continuation of the downtrend. If we do go up and break this structure right here, this 100% level, then maybe that could turn you into a buyer. Otherwise, I think we should definitely continue to look for shorts on these sort of time frames. I mean, honestly, if you've been looking for shorts for the last week or so, you definitely have been doing pretty dang good in your trading. So, as always, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you and happy trading.